as a web page user who is always entering his or her details in a web page, have you ever wondered where your data goes to, especially let's say about your email or phone number or any other details which you may input in a web page? Have you ever wondered where it goes to? So I'll introduce you to a language called PHP, also known as hypertext preprocessor. This language is used to process and store your data in the back end, what is so called the back end of a web page. So I'll introduce you to PHP, a server-side language, and first of all, what you need to know to learn PHP, you need to have a server called XAMPP. That one, if you want to run PHP in your local machine or local host. So I'll introduce you to Apache. Now I'm in XAMPP. You need to have XAMPP. Now to run PHP you need to have XAMPP, and you have to start XAMPP. Also start MySQL part of it, which enable you to connect with your SQL server. Now I'm making videos where I will show you how you can code the backend of your web page with PHP. But before taking you through that process, I'll show you some basic codes which are written PHP, which I have here in my local host. By the way, to access folder where they are, you have to go to your local device, go to your local disk, access it through XAMPP, go to htdocs. Now here you have the folders where your projects are. Okay, we can access one of them. Let's open one of them and see what is contained in it. Especially this one here with MySQL connection, it is written with PHP. Okay, to do that, I'll take you to, I always use Visual Studio Code to edit my files. No, so I'll open folder using Visual Studio Code. Go to open folder. Now in the directory where the folder is, we go to and look for MySQL connection folder. Yeah, you want to look at MySQL connection folder, select folder. Now here I'll look at some of the codes which are written PHP. This one display. Now just a little bit introduction to it. I'll create a new file here where I say, let's call it introduction demonstration demo.php, and I'll just give you a simple syntax of PHP. To write PHP code, you have to use the less than tag followed by question mark and write PHP, and close it with the question tag. And now basically to learn any language, the first thing you need to do is to print hello world. Now let's say echo hello world. As you can see, you can save this. How can we see this output? Always you can see the output in our browser. Me, I always use Firefox as bind browser, default browser. Now you can access it by saying localhost stroke, the folder was called MySQL connection. the file we just created is introduction.dem.php, and you can see the output is hello world. This one was just a little bit introduction of what you should expect in the coming tutors which I'll take you through, and just leave a comment there, follow, and let's see what's coming. I hope you will enjoy. Thank you.